I was always curious from your perspective, what are the benefits to digital compared to traditional?
The benefits of digital to traditional is the internet is shifting in that direction. I mean, it's already there. I mean, if you look at the state of our marketing, where we're winning in regards to attention, people are on social media. You can't say today that you don't pick up your phone and check it for content.
Me and Toby have been talking about how we can get more value of like really everything we do in J29, and I kind of wanted to talk to you about like how we can do that best to try to like portray that.
I think a lot of people just don't understand what we do here. You know, what does, digital marketing is just such a broad term. I think a lot of people just see it as, hey, it's just a new thing to do. They watch Gary Vee videos and all this thing, and they think that's digital marketing. But digital marketing is actually using digital technology to amplify your service or product. So even us as a digital marketing agency is, how do we package ourselves where we're bringing value to our audience? And it's being able to amplify that message everywhere. Now they're saying YouTube is the #1 search engine for the future.
Looks on YouTube.
So YouTube will actually boost your ranking by being able to produce YouTube content. But with YouTube content, then it means that's where you and Toby would play a big role, is being able to have video.
Yeah.
Digital marketing is all encompassing. Is from your branding and being able to add Rachel stuff and really looking at, hey, where is your why, who you are. So before you even produce content, it gives you kind of some metrics and guidelines to what kind of content are we producing. Jake's department would amplify the message via social media and different things like that. And with me, I can look at kind of our website. So where do these touch points, where do they land? And then that's where you and Toby stuff has to kick in, because you're part of reaching our target audience. Who are we talking to?